Hi, hope you're having a great time. I'm Kelly from The Power of Makeup. As you know that a lot of people have dark groins, this can be a really embarrassing condition, especially if you have been planning to go sunbathing or spend some time in your bathing suits. So today I'm going to show you 3 home remedies which will help you to make your skin white. It will also help you to get a lighter complexion. So we start with our first remedy, and we will be needing crushed ground almonds, which used to remove dead skin cells from your skin. Then barley flour. It has some remarkable effects when coming to skin treatment because naturally lighten dark skin color and add whitish shade to your skin. Then almond oil, which is best moisturizer for any skin. It moisturizes skin from inside naturally. Then rose water. Rose water has many benefits and can be used in various ways to benefit your skin and overall well-being. No matter what type of skin you have, this is wonderful of its kind, truly. Okay, now take 1 teaspoon of ground almonds and take 1 teaspoon of barley flour. Then add 1 teaspoon of almond oil. As I told you, almond oil will moisturize your skin from inside. Then add 1 teaspoon of poopy seeds and add rose water to make a paste of the mixture. After making the paste, apply this paste for 10 to 15 minutes with the help of a cotton or with your hands. Then take off while rubbing gently. Keep applying it for 2 to 3 weeks. So for the second remedy, you'll be needing milk powder, which is a good moisturizer. Then almond oil, again it will moisturize your skin. Then lemon juice. Lemon juice acts as a bleach to your lips. It will also give you clean and white skin. Then honey. It is a full antioxidant. It is great for slowing down aging. It is extremely moisturizing and soothing, so it helps create a glow and boost your complexion. Now add 1 teaspoon of milk powder in a mixing bowl. Then add 1 teaspoon of almond oil. And then add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Then add 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix all these 4 ingredients very well. After making the paste, apply this paste on your face for 10 to 15 minutes. Wash your face after 10 to 15 minutes. This pack helps bring shine to your skin and also removes tan. The third remedy is the simplest of all. As we all know that almonds and milk have some magical effects. So we will be only using these 2 to make a simple and magical paste to make skin white. In this remedy, we will be needing some almonds soaked overnight. Now take the skin off, grind into a fine paste using milk. Apply on face and neck and leave it overnight. Wash with cold water in the morning. Do this daily for 15 days. So these were the beauty remedies which can be used to make skin white. As we all know, our skin is reflect in our body, so we cannot have a beautiful skin without have a healthy diet. Make sure to start drinking 1.5 cup warm milk with 1.5 teaspoon turmeric powder daily, early in the morning for 2 months. Hope to see you again with other magical remedies. All remedies, procedure, and ingredients are given in description, so you can check the description if you miss anything, and do not forget to click the subscribe button. Thanks.